So I'm in a 2011 Infiniti QX56, and today I'm going to show you to adjust your date and time. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and then from your display here, we'll go to settings, and then we'll scroll to others, and hit enter. And then from here, we'll scroll to clock, hit enter, and then in here you can adjust, say, the military time, on or off. If you can adjust if you want the time to even display from your main screen. From here, you can adjust the time up or down as you like here, and you can see it changing in real time. Same with the minutes here, you can go up or down. You can switch it whether it's daylight savings time or not, and then you can also switch your time zones here. That's it. And it just auto saves, so there's nothing else you'd have to adjust for this. But I hope this was all helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.